the desk of Fusta 2005. Today we're going to be unboxing the Quiet Comfort 45 headphones from Bose. Previously I've had the Quiet Comfort or QC 35s from Bose as well. These add a little bit more features, but ultimately are pretty much the same. There's some comfort improvements as well. But we'll kind of compare the two and see what the differences are. So let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed. So, looking at the box here, we have premium sound, world-class noise cancellation, which Bose is very proud of. Aware mode, which is nice. I like that. Noise rejecting quad microphone for clear calls. I don't use them for phone calls too often, but when I do, that would be cool. USB-C, that's a good upgrade. The previous QC35s had micro USB, and this uses the Bose Music app, and I believe the QC35s use a different Bose app. Obviously it works with iPhone, iPad, Android, anything that has Bluetooth, has the headphones, a case, and a few cables inside. Nice. Sticky to open the box, get the bands off, and let's see what we got here. So everything is in the case already for you, which is nice. Comes with these things that I like to keep around in case you get your phone wet, although most all phones now are waterproof, so you don't have to keep these around too much anymore. Obviously, do not eat these. So in the trash it goes. We've got a little manual here, quick start guide. Shows you how to operate and pair, which should be second nature these days. And it looks like we have a lot of stuff in a foreign language. So I got some support websites for you if you want. Let's get the box out of the way and get the bag off. Alright, so first thing we can compare here is the, well, actually, I have it packed away, but the case is a nice kind of pleather feeling material. The QC35s had a raised kind of printing. They've gone to just kind of embossment here. Just kind of maybe just laser printing of some sort. But let's take a look inside. So it's very, very much set up like the QC35s were. We've got an aux cable if you need it. I don't, because I don't have that on my phone anymore. But it's good to have if you want to plug into like the airport or airplane or something. There's different things you can plug into. I don't know if I need to keep this for the case, because the other one had like the QC35s had a little molding here to put the airplane plug in, and it just kind of rested against that. So well, we'll see if we need it. Probably not, but we'll see. And we have the power charging cable, USB-C to USB-A, so you can, it doesn't have a power block in it, so you just plug it into any USB-A block that you have. And here they are. They look very, very similar to the QC35s. In fact, let me bring the QC35s over. So this is the, let's see, left and right, and we're looking at right and left. So let's turn it around here. Alright, so buttons look fairly similar on the right hand cup. So we got volume, pause, skip buttons. The addition of this button here, I think this is the aware mode on the QC45s. You could adjust the noise canceling on this on the QC35. I don't think you can do it on the 45, but to have the aware mode is a nice feature so you can hear what's going on. The bands look very similar. They got the same screws in the same places. A little bit different material for the upper headband. This is more of a soft suede material, and this is more of a leather. The cups, I already had to replace these. These are actually brand new. They tended to come off and wear pretty easily on the QC35s. That's supposed to be improved on the QC45s. But otherwise they look, very similar. These have a physical, like, raised logo. This is kind of printed again right here. So I mean, saving some costs probably, but of course they don't charge any less. I did get these on sale for the new year. These are the QC45s for $279 at Best Buy. I did just notice today that they went back up to $329. So they were having a holiday sale all through December. I'm glad I got them on the last day of the sale. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying these out. I'm going to keep the QC35s as my travel pair, and I do use them at home for toning out the kids and watching a TV show in the evening when we are getting ready for bath time and bedtime. So I may do a review of these, and we'll keep you posted on how they work. Till the next time, we'll catch you later.